Kinilala ng Business News Magazine na Biz News Asia ang mga natatanging lider at personalidad mula sa iba't ibang sektor. Kabilang sa mga binigyang parangal, si GMA Network CEO and President Gilberto Duavit Jr. Narito po ang aking unang balita. Sa ika-24 na anibersaryo ng kilalang Business News Magazine na Biz News Asia at ika-77 kaarawan din ng founder at CEO nitong si Tony Lopez, kinilala ang ilan sa pinakamagagaling na lider ng bansa sa kanilang taunang Excellence Awards. Kabilang sa ginawaran ng prestigyosong Management Excellence Award, ang CEO at Presidente ng GMA Network Incorporated na si Gilberto R. Duavit Jr. bilang pagkilala sa mahigit 3 dekada niyang karanasan at pamumuno sa industriya ng media.
If you will notice, GMA Network 7 and Mr. Duavit are the only honorees in the media segment of business. Media is one of the most difficult enterprises to manage today, and it's really quite an achievement to remain number one every step of the way. That means you have to have excellence, passion, upholding the values of truth, freedom, democracy, justice, and everything that is good in the people and in the nation.
Sa kabila ng mga pagbabago ng teknolohiya at hamon ng artificial intelligence at deepfake, nananatili raw ang integridad at patas na pagbabalita ng GMA Network.
Because every time we are being challenged by AI, by data analytics, by disinformation, misinformation, blatant lies. And we always have to uphold our integrity. And we always have to uphold the truth. And we always have to serve the interests of the people versus the interests of the few, of the vested few.
Nananatili rin daw matatag ang Kapuso shows at programs dahil sa pamamahala ni Duavit. Kinilala rin ng Biz News Asia si Supreme Court Chief Justice Alexander Gesmundo para sa Judicial and Public Service Excellence Award. Nakakuha naman ang Excellence and Public Service Award si Senate President Tito Soto, House Speaker Bogie D, DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon, at DA Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr. Kinilala rin si First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos para sa Governance Excellence Award. Kinilala rin ang husay, integridad at malasakit ng ilang panlider sa iba't ibang larangan. Iginawad ang Excellence in Architecture Award, Advocacy and Government Relations Excellence Award, Digital Management Excellence Award, Excellence in Dentistry Award, Financial Management Award, Management Excellence Award, Visionary Management Excellence Award, at Economic Management Excellence Award. Sa programa nagtanghal ang mga Kapuso Sparkle artist at singer na sina Hannah Priscillas at Anthony Rosaldo. Ito ang unang balita. Mariz Umali para sa GMA Integrated News.
Gusto mo bang mauna sa mga balita? Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube at tumutok sa unang balita.